Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm taking you all behind the scenes of how I run my small wig making company. So the wigs that you are going to see in this video are all customized or made by me. I'm showing you all this frontal wig, which came from my personal vendor, and this is a vendor that I use for my clients and customers. I'm just doing a quality check before I begin customizing. So I just wanted to show you all two of the patterns that I provide. One is a loose deep, which is on the left, and the other is a water wave, and that is on the right. The frontal wig is a 13x4 frontal wig, and this is a loose deep pattern. I will be coloring this unit for a customer. This other unit that I'll be showing you guys is actually custom made using a 6x6 lace closure. So I made this wig for a customer using my raw hair bundles. I pretty much did everything on the machine. I added the adjustable elastic band for extra security and a wig comb in the nape. And this is another service that I offer. So I do customization on factory made wigs, which I also call pre-made wigs on my website. Those wigs come from my factory in Southeast Asia, and all I do is just customize them to my customer or client's liking. This is the factory made wig. I'll be coloring this unit. And the pre-made wigs are made with virgin hair. So they're not from one donor like my raw hair bundles. They're from multiple donors to create like one bundle. And I also offer 613 hair. I'll be putting this on my website soon. For those who are interested in like the ash blonde or the bombshell blonde look, which is the one that I created on the left. And yeah, so this is just like a video of me just showing you all what I do behind the scenes as far as like custom color, customizing wigs, and things of that sort, because I do get a lot of questions like, what is the difference between customizing and a custom made wig? So here are the pre-made wigs from my Southeast Asia factory. These are the virgin wigs. They come ready-made. I do offer them in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. So if your head fits between, a 21-inch circumference up until about like a 23.5 circumference, you are able to fit the factory made wigs. And this is also a more affordable route for a lot of my clients. And getting these wigs done, as far as like customizing, is a lot faster because I'm not actually making the wig from scratch. It comes pre-made. All I have to do is just customize it by what you guys are seeing here, like me bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline, styling the hair, doing all sorts of things to it to make it ready to be worn out the package. So the wigs that I offer, they're 250% in density, so they are super, super full. This is real 250% density. This is not the, stringy units that a lot of these Chinese hair companies are providing. I really had to step it up, you guys. Like, I had to step it up when it came down to the quality of hair that I provided, as far as origin wise, texture, giving my girls a lot more options. So yeah, those were the factory made pre-made wigs, and here I am bleaching the knots on the lace closures for the custom made service that I do, which is where I'll take a lace piece, whether it is a closure or a frontal, and I make it into a wig using bundles. And yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm just bleaching the knots on all of these closures to get them ready for my custom wig making service. Each wig is not going to be made the same as far as like sizing. So I'm able to make wigs from 20 inches in circumference, which is like my extra small, to extra large, which is like 24 inches in circumference. And that is where everything is made from scratch. It's custom to the T. So yeah, I hope that was in-depth enough as far as like the services that I provide. I do also have the option where you as a client or customer can provide your own hair, your own lace wig, lace closure wig, whichever, to have it customized by me. And it's pretty much a way to just not deal with the hassle of doing it on your own and just having the wig customized and ready to be worn, custom colored. Lace can be cut for you, like pre-cut, just everything. So if you're interested, I'll leave my website down below in the description so that you guys can check it out. I'm going to show you all not the finished products, but pretty much the difference between like the pre-made wigs. So these are the pre-made wigs. I added adjustable and elastic bands into them, and these are the custom wigs that are in the making. So here I am using a spandex cap. So on the website you have the option to choose which cap you would like or which cap you prefer for me to make your wig. When I say it's custom, it is custom to the T, from the cap, the hair quality, the hair origin, the hair pattern. Everything is custom made and custom to the T when you're getting a wig made. So these were 3 deep wave wigs that I had soaked in silicone mix. And I'm just showing you all the work that I was doing that day. I had some more wigs to be made with client hair. Oh yeah, this is when it started to kind of dwindle down. Oh, not really, but yeah, all right. This day was hectic, but I was getting them done. And this is just another day where I had some wigs that I needed to style. I have some more wigs to customize. These are client provided wigs, by the way. And I had closures to bleach and everything like that. Oh, but you know, I got it done. And I got it done right in time. Because I wanted to have all these wigs colored and all. Those are factory made wigs that I had colored. 2 of the wigs like that, the wigs that were in the front, were pre-colored, so I didn't color those. But yeah, I wanted to have all these orders done in time, like right before the new year pretty much. So here I am just prepping all my orders. This is actually me prepping the last 2 closure orders. So I do sell closures all the way up to 7x7. So from 4x4 to 5x5 to 6x6 to 7x7 lace closure sizes. I do provide those on the website. So I am packaging a 7x7 order, and I think the other one was a 6x6. You're gonna see in the following clips me packaging that last order. Okay, so yeah, this was a 6x6. So yeah. And I showed you guys how I created my hang tags in a video, and I'll have it somewhere in this video so that you guys can check it out if you're interested in seeing how to create your own hang tags. And yeah, I do have accessories too, so that you could cut your lace and lay your lace too. But I just wanted to kind of sneak in how I package an order in this video, just so that you guys can really see like what I do behind the scenes. Like, it's not easy by a long shot, but it's definitely worth it. Now that I'm a mother, she's like my daughter, she's like my motivating factor to really do these things right. So I'll have her doing tummy time right next to me while I'm getting my orders together, making sure that the labels are correct, the address is correct, and everything before I actually go to the post office and scan them in. And I'll be doing a lot more of these behind the scenes videos. I'll even vlog if you guys would like to see that. Just give you guys some more content about, you know, my business and what I do, because in this clip, I'm pretty much packaging the last of the orders that actually brought my company to about $90,000 in revenue. So I'm hoping that this motivates someone out there and it answers any questions if you have any. But yeah, I'll leave you guys here now. Thank you for watching.
Give me 5. Bam. Yeah, my girl. Give it to me. Ah. Give it to me. Ah.